Good afternoon, Williamsburg Area Association of Realtors. This is Susan Gaston. I'm your legislative consultant, and you can see where I am. I'm in Richmond. I'm across from Capitol Square as the Commonwealth prepares to swear in and inaugurate Governor-elect Glenn Youngkin, Lieutenant Governor-elect Winsome Sears, and Attorney General-elect Jason Miyares. It's an exciting time to be here as we engage in the peaceful transition of power. Fun fact here for you, actually a couple fun facts. Lieutenant Governor Winsome Sears is the former association executive at the Winchester Association of Realtors. We've got a nice relationship with her, and she understands how Association of Realtors function, you as members and your needs. It's going to be, I think, a good relationship for us. And Attorney General-elect Jason Miyares is married to a realtor and is the son-in-law of a realtor. So we are going to be in a good position with his office as well. The highlight of our General Assembly agenda is, for the third time, and meeting with better success, we will be introducing the Association Healthcare Plan package. You might remember from a couple of years ago, where you as independent contractors are in a very unique position in terms of your ability to find affordable healthcare products. And we feel that in order to secure affordable healthcare for all, we certainly need to include our independent contractors and the unique business model that you have as real estate agents and realtors. So we feel very positive that we're going to have a good outcome this year, and that we will be supported not only in the House of Delegates and in the Senate, but also by the governor when the bill comes across his desk. So that will be our signature piece of legislation this year, and we're looking forward to working with all of you. You will have already seen a couple of calls to action, so we hope you've responded, and you will have more opportunities, but we really do need you to engage with us in order to meet with success. To the General Assembly itself, you might remember in the November elections, we had a swing from a Democrat-controlled House to a Republican-controlled House, 52-48 Republican majority, led by Speaker of the House Todd Gilbert from the Winchester area and Terry Kilgore, Majority Leader from Southwest Virginia. We will remain with a 21-19 ever so small Democrat majority in the Senate, where we also have a number of friends and feel very comfortable in the bipartisan support from all members, House and Senate, not only on the healthcare issue, but on a vast majority of our issues, because housing is so agnostic and is so, housing just is able to rise above any partisan issues. So look for more details to come as far as the other components that we will be working on. Quite a bit, I think, of defense and partnering with some other stakeholders, but largely the Association Healthcare Plan legislation is priority number one. Look for these sorts of updates most every Friday, maybe even over the weekends, but we'll try to get them to you on a Friday afternoon. And we're doing the legislative line live version. Reading is difficult when there is so much coming at you, so we thought we'd try something different this year, and we hope you like it. There might be an interview here or there with a policymaker or with another lobbyist who works on our issues, but we're hoping to do something different to keep you all engaged and interested. And again, one final shot of the Capitol. You will see this be the beehive of activity tomorrow, with all parts of the Commonwealth represented on what's planning to be a very cold, chilly day, but regardless of the weather, the peaceful transition of power will take place, and we will be right there and working for you every day to make sure that your interests are top of mind. You guys be well. You know how to get in touch with me, and I look forward to seeing you soon. Bye.